Here's how to fix blurry Instagram Reels, stories, videos, and photos. So sometimes even when you upload a high quality video from your gallery, Instagram still make it look blurry or pixelated after posting, and that can be really frustrating. So don't worry, you can fix this. So from your Instagram profile, tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner, then scroll down and open media quality. So from here, you will see 3 options. So here you have to make sure you turn on upload at highest quality option. This actually ensures that Instagram upload your reels, stories, photos, and videos in the best possible resolution. And keep in mind, uploads may take a little longer, but the quality will stay sharp. Also make sure these 2 options are turned off, use less cellular data, disable display of HDR media. So once these settings are correct, Instagram will stop compressing your content too much and your uploads will look clear instead of blurry. And that's it. This is how you can fix blurry Instagram Reels, stories, videos, and photos on your account. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.